Hi everyone, I would like to take a moment to introduce you to your first major essay, the Comparison Contrast Film Analysis. Now, this essay is basically a culmination of our first unit, the Foundations of Academic Writing, where we've discussed the rhetorical situation, structure, paragraph development, organization, transitions, thesis statements, all of the things that make my English loving little heart skip a beat and make you, I'm sure, cringe with anxiety. Nonetheless, to assess the skills that we've explored all unit, I am asking you guys to write a comparison contrast analysis on two films. Yes, you heard me right. You get to watch movies for English class and for homework. I'm not going to read the prompt word for word, mainly because I don't want to bore you guys to death, but you can find it in our week 2 module under essay number 1, explanation. So the main thing I want to explain is the purpose of this essay and how it relates to this week. For this essay, you are going to choose two films of the same genre. And remember, last week we talked about genre and said that it was a category where all of the texts that fall into that category have the same kind of key defining features. So you're going to look at these two films of the same genre and explore various tropes or stereotypical formulaic characteristics that all movies from that genre share, and then later subsequently analyze how each film treats that trope. So for example, if you choose the superhero film genre, all superhero films have the trope of a hero. They have the trope of a villain. And if you don't understand what I mean when I say trope, you will, because we'll be talking about it extensively over the next couple of weeks. So why does that matter right now? How does it affect your immediate future? Well, this week in your discussion board, I'm asking you to propose two films to analyze and explore those genre-specific features. There is a list that you can see, a plethora of film choices that I've given you, and if you click on that, it will bring you to a list where I've got a ton of choices that are organized by genre. And if none of those tickles your fancy, feel free to choose your own film as long as they are of the same genre. So what I would like to do is go back, and I want to draw your attention to some essay specifics. Here you're going to find all of the expectations of the essay, but I want to draw your attention to the length. Your final product will be 3 to 4 pages. And I want to draw your attention to the due dates. Now there are two due dates that are important. I'm asking you to submit a rough draft of your essay by the 13th of September. And what's going to happen with that rough draft is we are going to do a workshop where I'm going to put you into groups. And I am also going to read your essay and provide you some substantive feedback so you can work through my comments and the comments of your peers and fix your essay before you turn it in. The final essay is due on the 27th of September. So we've got a bit before the final product is due, but I wanted to introduce it now so you guys can start kind of thinking about it and start working on it, and the discussion board is going to be used as kind of that brainstorming kind of first process of the essay. So take a look at the prompt, the expectations, and down here at the bottom, I've given you the rubric by which I am going to grade the essay. So it's due on the 27th. Your rough draft is due on the 13th of September. And this week's discussion board, you're going to propose the 2 films that you intend to do or to analyze for this assignment. So let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to run some ideas by me this week. I'm looking forward to seeing what films you come up with. And again, let me know if you have any questions.